Back in the garage on this Friday night. Sally throwed me for a loop last night. I was hooking up the door harnesses and stuff to get it to where I could put the windows in, and boom, she didn't have any power windows. So I called my buddy Scott. He's a real good mechanic. Told him what the problem was. He said it sounded like a ground issue. So he come over tonight after work and figured everything out. It's getting down to where we didn't know what was going on with Sally. And all of a sudden, he checks this relay right here. Boom. Ground wire's gone. No power coming out. Power going in, no power coming out. Finds the ground wire, plugs it back up. Sally now has power windows. Now I've really got to hustle, because that's 2 days that I've wasted that I could have been putting stuff on Sally, getting her ready for the 60th anniversary Mustang show, April the 6th at Barber Motor Speedway. Thank you very much, Scott. Doing some stuff to Sally. I made a new ground wire for this thing where we had the little issue. Got it to where the ground wire's just as long as the rest of the wires. That way it won't pull on it. The power windows go up and down. I'm going to put the door glasses in. Button up some of this interior. Going to paint my tail light pieces here as soon as I pull the car outside, and going to have a busy day. Okay, I have the tail lights ready. I'm going to repaint the silver in them so that the lights will shine a lot brighter, and then I'm going to tape up that, and I'm going to paint the outside black. Okay, I've had a change of plans. I've got to put the fenders and the rear bumper on. I can't stand it any longer. I'll do the weather strips and that little pitty stuff later. I might even put the front bumper on today, because I'm just so excited. Okay, made some real good progress on Sally today. I've got the front end on. I don't have the bumper cover or the fenders lined up together yet. Got the dome light switches working from both doors. Got the rear bumper cover on. Got the tail lights ready to put the lenses on. Sitting here letting her run. Heck, who knows what tomorrow brings. I might be 90% done with her tomorrow, but she sure is looking pretty. Doesn't look like I got a lot of stuff done today, but I really did. I got the front end all lined up and tightened up. Got all the gaps like they were before I took it apart and painted it, after I got everything all lined up. Got the door handle and the lock cylinder on this door. Got the tail lights installed. Sure makes it look a lot better. Got the gas cap lid on. Didn't get around to that door handle.